Hey, this is Hunter Riley 3 at Stack Silver, Get Gold, Buy Bitcoin.com, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to get free Zen every single day using the Zen Hub, which used to be called the Zen Faucet. Zen Horizen is my favorite cryptocurrency, my favorite privacy coin. So they give it away every day in order to basically spread the word about Zen and get you more familiar with how Zen works so you're more likely to use it, buy more of it, and tell other people about it. So first off, you want to go to stacksilvergetgold.com/Zen, Z-E-N, www.stacksilvergetgold.com/Zen. You'll come to this page. Okay. Now you want to go up in the right hand corner here. You want to register. And it's very simple to register. You can use your social media accounts, or if you've got a Gmail address, you just use your Gmail address, first name, create a password, and register. I would subscribe to their newsletter. It's going to teach you a lot about Zen. Okay. Once you do that, then you're going to get into your account page, and your account page basically looks like this. The first thing you want to do is you have to download a Zen Wallet. It's free to use, and this will be where all of the free Zen that you get is sent and stored. It is also a wallet for Zen, so if you buy Zen on an exchange like Binance, a crypto exchange, you can send that Zen to this wallet and keep it there as well. So I recommend you download the Spear by Horizen desktop wallet. It's free to use, very simple to use. But if you don't want to do that, download the Zen mobile wallet. Once you do, you will get a Zen address. So you've got to verify it on this system in order to get more Zen rewards. So you just take your address, your wallet address. You'll see it when you download your wallet, and you put it right here. And then you click verify, and you'll be verified. Another way to get more rewards is to link all your social media accounts: Twitter, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn. And finally, one other way to get some even higher amount of rewards is to use the Brave browser. Brave is my favorite browser. It's a privacy browser. It's free to use. Download it at www.stacksilvergetgold.com/Brave, and you'll get 20% more Zen every day. So once you set up your account and you downloaded the wallet, all you have to do is come back to the ZenHub page every single day, and right here where it says free Zen every day, you just click the I'm not a robot. I already did this today. And then you click claim, and they will award you a random amount of Zen. And they'll send it right to that wallet that you downloaded. They offer incentives, so there's games you could play. Um, um, there's videos you can watch about Zen where you can earn extra Zen as well. So here's play to win game. They've got the Zen Academy right here. If we look at the Zen Academy, this teaches you all about how Zen works. It's videos and articles on the whole entire Zen ecosystem. Another one of my favorite things about Zen is that you know dividend stocks, right? Where you buy a stock and then each quarter or each month sometimes they pay you in cash, and then you can reinvest that cash into the stock, and it kind of exponentially grows the amount of stock you have. Well, Zen operates a lot like that with these Horizen nodes, it's called. And I'm going to do a separate video on this, so look for that video. But essentially, you hold your Zen in your wallet that you get from the free ZenHub, or that you send from a cryptocurrency exchange like Binance. And they pay you on a monthly basis for setting up that node, kind of like a dividend stock. It works basically exactly like a dividend stock. So it's a way to make passive income from your Zen holdings. It's very cool. So anyways, go to get free Zen, go to www.stacksilvergetgold.com/Zen. You'll come to this page. You just go up to the right to register. Then you come back to this page. You download your wallet, your Spear wallet, you verify it, and boom, you come back every single day and get free Zen. It's very, very cool. www.stacksilvergetgold.com/Zen.